What letter is this?
D.
What letter is this?
2.
What letter is this?
O.
What letter is this? What
No.
letter is that? T. Very good. What letter is this?
U.
U. Very good. What letter is this?
A.
What letter is this?
D.
What letter is this?
E. Mother.
What letter is this?
B.
What letter is this?
K.
What letter is
O.
What letter is this?
O. The K. The D.
What letter is this?
A.
What letter is this?
Y.
What letter is this? If you turn it upside down, or this way, what letter is it? What letter is that?
Ta-ta.
W.
Ta-ta. Whoa.
W. There you go. What letter is this?
I.
Very good. What letter is this? Monkey. Monkey. What letter is this?
O.
L. Very good.
O. I.
What letter is this?
O. R.
What letter is this?
P.
Very good. What letter is this?
P. A.
S.
Ba. Ba.
Sheep.
Ba.
Ba. Ba. What letter is this?
A.
Very good.
Small.
What is it?
Mouse.
A mouse. What?
E.
V. Very good.
No.
Another mouse. Eek, a mouse. Ah. What letter is this?
N.
N.
Ba. Color.
A turtle. Very good.
Ooh.
And what letter is this?
B.
She's been calling the A's B's. What letter is this?
Ba.
A.
Ba.
That is the A. You know that.
Ba. D.
Z. Very good. One more. What letter is this?
Ba. Bird. D.
Zebra. That's a zebra.
Ooh. There's 2.
What letter is this?
D.
C.
Cow.
Cow.
Moo. Moo.
Moo. Moo. Yay!